This video will demonstrate how to navigate to a site list and also how to set permissions to a list item. So to navigate to a list, you can go to site contents from the far left navigation links, or we can go to the very top of the screen in the gears area, or the gear area that has the site contents in there. Either way is fine. We can go to site contents from here. Here we are presented with all the list items or the site contents area for the site contents area. And in there we can go to that particular list. We can click on it from here, or we can go into the three dots that has click here, click for more information. In there we have the settings. We can go directly into that permissions area by going directly into the settings. But right now what I'm going to do is just click directly within that particular list. Here I'm presented with the list, but what we can do now, we can go to the very top of the ribbon, and there we are presented with a number of different menu items. We can go to list settings from here by clicking on it, and then we have the settings area here also. Here we are presented with the general settings and permissions and management and communications. We're going to go into the permissions and management section, and we're going to click on permissions for this list. There we are presented with everyone that is associated with this particular list. Anybody that is not inside this list item or in these groups will not have access to that particular list. Okay, so I can grant access to this list to another individual if needed. If you would like to create another group for a list, you would have to set it from the site level. So how to do that? We'll have to go back to the site contents, and then we're going to go back to the gears tools or SharePoint settings, and we're going to go down to site settings. In there we're going to be presented with this list of various options. Going to go to site permissions. There is where we can create a new group. So if we want to have the HR team members associated with that list, this is the best place to do that, or the right or correct place to do that. So we're going to create a group, and you can put HR team members within this group. Then what you can do is that you can give them either full control, design level, edit, or contribute. I recommend the contribute level. Lower is always better, just in case that they would not have the ability to modify anything and cause an error. Okay, until matters arrive to a point whereas they need a little bit more permissions or a little bit more access, then we can always go up one level. Okay, so contribute as it stands for this particular group can give you the view ability, add ability, update, but cannot delete the list item. Okay, you can update but can't delete. Okay, so we can go back into the site contents, and then we can go right back into that list using the three dots this time, clicking on settings, and then we can go back into the site permissions or list permissions, and we can associate individuals who needs to be a part of that list, who needs to modify that list within there. That concludes this video. Thank you.